She hung the lights on her window frame. December came, it felt the same. She wanted noise, she wanted friends. The night just wouldn't seem to end. She knew their faces, knew their names. Late night talks that meant no change. She loved the boy who loved the dark. She stayed quiet, broke apart. She said, I'm fine, like people do, like saying it would make it true. Snow fell slow, she fell inside. Some birds don't show they hide. She made a wish she couldn't save. The year turned new at her grave. They laughed together, shared a coat. She stood there feeling like a ghost. Crush looked bored, checked his phone. She smiled like she wasn't alone. She cried where no one knew her name. Not enough to cause a scene. She didn't know pain could stay so quiet every day. The tree stayed up past New Year's, but she had already slipped away. Snow fell slow, she fell inside. Some hurts don't show, they hide. She made a wish she couldn't save. The year turned new at her grave. Did they say she was too sensitive? Like that explains the way she lived. Like being lonely isn't real if no one sees the way you feel. Now they stand in the cold and wait, counting down by her name. She finally wasn't alone. New Year's Eve at her stone.